I got myself, look at that hood. Ooh. What is up, guys? Good morning and welcome back to a new episode from Backyard Boys. Right behind me, we see the beautiful 1M. Just kidding, guys. If you guys saw my last episode, you guys saw that I was still waiting for some headlights for the 1M. And I actually got confirmed that that was basically a scam. So I'm not going to get those headlights anymore. I have to order a new set and wait another couple of weeks or however long it takes to come. But good people in this world exist, like Tony. Tony actually gave me this car so I can pull the headlights off and do the bodywork on my 1M. This is a 135 right over here. It's actually pretty darn sick. Got the VMR wheels, black, same combo as mine, black on black. You got that little somewhere right there, M badge. Want to be 1M? No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, so the plan for this video is actually we're going to take off these headlights on this car over here and we're going to use them to do and finish all the bodywork on my 1M. You guys saw that on my 1M I have damage right over here on this fender part right here, and I have to line everything up to this bumper or to this headlight. So guys, first things first, let's go ahead and pull these headlights off and then head down to the shop and start putting them on, test fitting them onto the 1M, making sure all the body work, all that stuff lines up perfect, and let's get right into it, boys. Have gotten the headlights off and it looks pretty sick. Anyways, these headlights right here, they're different than mine that are gonna be on my car because these are pre-facelift headlights without that strip up top. And then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a headlight mod, so mine are gonna look completely different. But for the time being of the shape of this headlight and everything else, this will work perfect. That way we can get the car done and sent off to paint shop. So guys, right now, let's go ahead and go to the shop and I'll see you guys at the shop. We have gotten the headlights at the shop and now it is time to go ahead and mount them. But before we mount them, I'm gonna go ahead and close this gap right here. Make sure the gap up to the hood is perfect. And just like this one here, is actually pretty darn straight all the way through, except for the hood sits a little bit lower. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this first, make sure the gaps all over here are perfect, and make sure that the gaps on this side over here are perfect as well, like they are. So basically, all we have to do is make sure all of this sits perfect, and then we can adjust this, and then put the headlight in, and start doing all our finalizing work over here. We do have a little bit of a, see that inside piece is bent in, so sorry, the camera's not, there you go. See, this inside piece is bent in, so I'm gonna go ahead and straighten all that out, make sure everything fits, and then we're gonna test fit the bumper up onto the car. We have gotten the hood gap pretty good, besides the damage obviously, and then there's a little bit of a rolled fender right over here as well. Let me get the camera to focus. Just a kind of funny spot over here, but once we get the headlight on, I will go ahead and unroll this piece and mud it out, make sure it all fits perfect. But we went ahead and picked up the hood right over here. So when this hood was hit, it was hit right in the middle, slap that center right here, hit pretty darn hard, and it seems like it moved these hinges over here. Can you open the hood? I want to show you guys where it moved and how to kind of adjust these hoods. So this hood adjusts on a couple of points. There's 2 points right here that adjust. Go ahead and there you go. There's 2 points that adjust right here, up and down, and then there's 2 points down over here that adjust basically how high the hood sits in the very back to make sure it levels up over here. It's kind of tough to get them all aligned because you kind of gotta guess, close the hood, guess, close the hood, guess. But once you get it pretty solid. Both sides look good. I'll go ahead and close the hood. So this gap is pretty even all the way up here, and it sits same exact height. Everything looks beautiful all the way through until we get to our damaged area, which probably affected anywhere from here all the way down here. But once we level all this out, this should sit perfect. And then as you guys can tell on this one, it's all the way good. So yeah, we're about done with getting all the hood adjusted. All we got to do is start getting this fender hammered out now. So I'll show you guys how I do that. We're gonna apply some pressure right over here inwards, and I'm gonna start tapping the inside of the fender because it opened up. You can see the fender opened up at a different angle. So yeah, let's go. Guys, we have gotten the headlights mounted on and it just looks phenomenal. Guys, this is beautiful. So my headlights that are coming for the car actually are facelift, and they have like this eyebrow right over here, and it looks just perfect. Anyways, the bodywork and everything is pretty darn good. Everything lines up pretty phenomenal. Once this bumper gets tightened up, everything will be perfect. So you guys may be asking me, why do I have this bumper and why is it painted already? Waiting for the headlights for over a month gave me the opportunity to get a bumper and drop it off with my painter and get painted. Since it is black, it does not need any kind of blends, and the front end is all gonna be painted. So I just, while he was free, had some time, he painted that for me. Anyways, everything is looking perfect. Once again, we can look through the gappages right over here. Look at that. So a little bit of mud over here, some glaze, and then just a hair of glaze right here. But now let's go ahead and start working on this ding over here. I'm going to try to massage this as much as I can out because I don't want to do a lot of painting. And then I just noticed a fat scratch in the door. So this whole side is going to be painted along with the quarter panel and the rear bumper. So all of this gets painted. It's going to look brand spanking new, guys. Let's keep working. Look at that thing. Oh my goodness. Whew. Look at that width. That ain't no 135 for you boys. As you guys saw there, I went ahead, picked up the car, took off the fender liner, and just kind of massaged this dent from the inside. And it's basically out. It just looks funny. Just needs a little bit of glaze, but I mean the main shape of it, kind of hard to tell because black reflects really darn well. Yeah, just a little bit of mud, basically glaze, just in this section right over here. But guys, we are now ready to start working on the other fender. I'm gonna get everything prepped up. That way I can go ahead and glaze and Bondo all at one time. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on this side over here. This side I don't have really any access, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind this down to metal, sand it down to metal, and use my dent puller to get that out. And then after that, we can advance to getting this quarter panel. I don't even know, it's so minor. I don't think I need anything, just a tiny bit of sanding and just a little bit of glaze to get all that out, and then we can pull the rear bumper off and work on that, guys. So let's go ahead and start working on the driver's side fender and getting this thing all dialed out because those dents are not pretty. Whew. Alright guys, it's the next day here and it got a little late on us while I was repairing this rear bumper. I went ahead and trimmed up a little bit. Man, I look like a freaking child. Anyways, I want to show you guys in the previous video, I told you guys that I had something special for this car and just kind of show you guys the direction I am going with this car. I got myself, look at that hood. Ooh, that is a Simon carbon fiber E92 M3 style hood for the 1M. And honestly, the 1M was missing something on the hood because this hood fits on a 1 Series as well. It's like, what? Come on, you guys got to make something cool because the bumper is different, the fenders are different, you know what I'm saying? So I decided to get that hood. That hood was not cheap, so hopefully the fitment is good, and that's the reason I kind of pulled it out to go ahead and test the fitment after I gotten all these gaps aligned. So guys, let's go ahead and test out this fitment, and the car is literally gonna look done because the only thing that's not painted on the car right now is the hood. But yeah, we still got a lot of work, but I want to test fit this hood, make sure it all fits. That way I can go ahead and text them that, yo, the hood fits good, everything is good, rather than complaining. Let's go. Jeez, this looks so freaking sick. Look at that, guys. I can't wait till I get my headlights, the ones that I need, the facelift ones. They even look sharper than this, and it's just gonna look so sick. That hood, honestly guys, I don't even know why they even put this 135 looking hood on this 1M. The 1M deserves way more than just that flat plain hood. Look at this, they got the M3 parts, M3 differential, M3 suspension, and it deserves the E92 M3 style hood as well. This hood is just gorgeous. Look at all of that. Oh. Honestly guys, the gaps on it are much better than I thought, and I didn't go ahead and fully dial them in because there's no point in me pulling it back off right now, but I see the potential, and I see with my eye that I can make all the gaps perfect and set. Guys, I told you guys in the previous videos that I will be wrapping the car, and I'm not fully sure on what color yet. I'm going back and forth between a couple of colors, so comment down below what color you guys would want to see this beast in. And comment if you guys would want to see this hood fully revealed with the wrap, or wrap the hood and reveal these vents right here in carbon fiber. I'm not sure just yet. I'm really digging this raw look. But guys, I'm speechless. This is just amazing. This car is going to be the best looking 1M in the world. We got so much goodies coming for this thing. Smash that subscribe button. Anyways, that is going to be a wrap for this episode. I'm literally speechless. I've been staring at this thing for the past 20 minutes. I literally can't get enough of it. This is my first time seeing a 1M, and I knew the M's never disappointed, so I just pulled the trigger. Guys, this thing is going to look so freaking amazing, especially when we get the lip and everything on the car. It's just going to be the best looking 1M in the world. You can mark my words on that one. With that being said, guys, this is going to be the wrap for the episode. We got all the body work done. We just have a little bit of glaze left on the fender here and there. And then we got to repair the rear bumper and prep the car, which is all going to be the next episode, so stay tuned for that. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like this video, comment down below what you guys think on the wrap, ideas, anything livery, anything like that. Stay tuned, stay blessed, I'm out.